In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present in Google Meet. Whether you're prepping for a virtual meeting or hosting an online class, knowing how to effectively share your content is a game changer. Let's dive in and get you set up for success. First, you'll want to open your browser and type in meet.google.com, or if you prefer, you can open your Google Meet app directly. This is your starting point for entering any Google Meet session. Once you're on the site or in the app, you'll see an option that says enter a code or link. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial as it lets you join the correct meeting room whether you've received a link from the host or have been given a code to enter. Next, you'll simply click join. If the meeting is already in progress or if it's restricted to invitees, you may see a prompt asking you to click on ask to join. This step is typically for meetings that require permission from the host before you can fully enter. After you've been permitted to join, you'll then select Join Now. This officially brings you into the meeting room where you can see, hear, and interact with other participants. Now, to share your screen within Google Meet, pay attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll find the option labeled Present Now. Click on that and you'll be presented with a few choices on how you'd like to present. You've got three options here. You can choose to share a single tab from your browser, a specific window of an application, or your entire screen. Select whichever option suits your need. If you have multiple tabs or windows open, choose specifically the content you want your audience to focus on. Once you've decided on the specific tab, window, or screen you're going to share, select it and then click Share. This action broadcasts your selected content to everyone in the meeting. Make sure everything you want to show is set up and visible to enhance the smoothness of your presentation. When your presentation is complete and you wish to stop sharing your screen, find and click the Stop Sharing button. This returns the meeting back to face-to-face interaction among the participants. Another useful tip is that you can start sharing your screen even if someone else is already presenting. As soon as you begin your presentation, theirs will pause, allowing you to take over the spotlight without any interruptions. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you are fully equipped to present in Google Meet confidently and professionally. Whether you're teaching, collaborating, or simply sharing information, mastering these tools can truly enhance your virtual communication. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.